Hello students, today we are going to study fourth numerical of previous year gate question. Now the question is given as the compound which is largely responsible for initial setting and early strength of ordinary Portland cement is. Now the options are C3A, next one is C3S, another one is C2S and the last one is C4AF. Now we know that C3A is responsible for immediate stiffening as well as C3S will be responsible for early strength, C2S will be responsible for giving the strength after 7 days and C4AF will hydrates rapidly. So it does not contribute to the strength of the concrete. So only C3S is responsible for initial setting and early strength of ordinary Portland cement. So option B is the correct answer for this question. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.